Again with another product from howtopest.com. So we've been asked a lot, what is the difference between Bayer's Suspend Polyzone and Suspend SC? It's pretty obvious. One's got a blue cap, one's got a white cap. End of video. All right guys, seriously. And I'm funny, I know, I got 3 kids, they tell me. Suspend Polyzone. It is going to have a polymer layer. They both have the same active ingredient. They call it AI for fancy terms. It's going to be delta methrin, if I say that right. So both have the delta methrin. The difference is the polymer coating that's going to be around the chemical, which is going to allow it to hold up longer for the Suspend Polyzone. It's a more expensive chemical, and that's why. This is going to hold it for 90 days. It helps it hold up better in rain, sun, the elements, sprinklers, etc. This is still a great product, has a 30-day residual, so a little less expensive. But if you want that product, it's going to give you a lot of bang for your buck. The 90-day holdup of the Suspend Polyzone is a great product, and it's in every professional's bag, guaranteed. This Suspend SC is a great chemical for your rotations, your every 30 days. You can actually apply these chemicals every sprayer days. So it has a 21-day interval, both chemicals, doesn't matter if it's the blue cap or the white cap. But these are going to mix up in your sprayer, your backpack, or your handheld. The mixture rate's going to be a 1/4 of an ounce to 1/2 of an ounce to 1.5 ounces. You're going to have to read the label, find out what you're going after, and then mix accordingly. Both these products have at least 40 listed pets: scorpions, ants, cockroaches, ticks, silverfish, bugs. I think even wasps is on here. Don't quote me on that one, but check it. Other than that, there's a ton of other insects. It is labeled for indoors, outdoors, food processing plants. Has a broad label. So if you want a really good product, a good bang for your buck, especially with the heat coming up, this Suspend Polyzone is going to have that 90-day that's going to hold up really well with those hot temperatures. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask us at howtopest.com, and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.